So let's just look at a couple of applications within, sorry, I'm jumping here, forward here, a couple of applications and how sales management can use it. So in Dynamics 365 Sales, we have the most powerful technology on the marketplace for Salesforce automation by far. We have an underlying technology in our applications we refer to as XRM. So it's pretty much, this application is built on .NET SQL Server. So if you're a company supporting custom applications or any other applications on this platform, your team can actually build any kind of customizations that a Salesforce could possibly need. That's the custom build. It also has the most powerful set of entities for actually customizing a CRM system. So most of the time when we roll out the first time, we don't even get into customizations. It also has built-in workflow technology. So I can take that whole process from lead to prospect, from opportunity to close and to sale, all within one application driven by internal workflows. I can also monitor and manage your account management and do a whole bunch of other great things, all with really the out-of-the-box application. Very, very powerful. Now included in this is surveys. So surveys are included for monitoring your customers, asking them what they're doing, following up on them, seeing what their reaction is from your onboarding, from your marketing, from your account management. Again, all that data can go into CRM into one place. Our mobile platform is one of the most powerful in the marketplace today, and I was at Microsoft at Redmond a couple of weeks ago, and they showed us what's coming out in mobility, and I gotta say it's even getting better. So every salesperson today wants to be able to, use their CRM on their laptop. They want to be able to use it on their tablet, and they want to be able to use it on their phone. With Dynamics 365, that can all be done. Here's a couple of things that are really, really interesting. So I do a lot of work in the area of social selling. So I'm going to talk to you about social insights and social listening, also included with CRM Online, or as we call it today, Dynamics 365 Sales Online. In this application, let's say, for example, I'm a sales rep and I'm going and I'm calling on ABC Company. Well, I can go into Social Insights. As I put the record in ABC Company Save, it'll pull up a list of ABC companies and saying, which ABC company are you talking about? When I pick the right one, it'll go in, fill out the CRM for me, add all my information. That's tremendous. And when I show this to sales teams, this is by far the #1 application they're interested in, because now I can pull all the information in. I don't have to type it, but it's also scraping the internet for social insights. So it'll usually give me the executive team at that company, the sales team, the marketing team, and all the people that can be found on the internet attached to that company. And guess what? I can start creating records for them directly into CRM, and most of those records include email and phone numbers. So from a prospecting perspective, there's millions of companies available to us through Social Insights that I can download and add to the system. Very, very powerful sales tool and a big, big time saver. What else the team at Microsoft is working on these days is something called Dynamics 365 Social Listening. Well, social listening does something else. It scrapes the internet too, not just for company information. It scrapes the internet for conversations and sentiment. What's going on in your marketplace? So you can go out there and let's say you sold office furniture. I could say, okay, I'm located in Toronto. Give me all the conversations and social listening happening about office furniture, and it'll go out and grab all those conversations. And that may be a big, broad thing to start to listen to, but I think it kind of serves up the idea. But I can also go out and listen to, what are they saying about my company? What are they saying about full contact selling? Is it good? Is it bad? Who's talking about me? And we can actually pull that data in and create leads into our system, or cases into our system if it's a bad sentiment, to make sure we follow up with. And think about the power of this. We can also start to look at our competitors and what people are saying about them. This is a big area of investment And when we talk about CRM and Dynamics 365 sales, you can see it's not just about sort of leads, opportunities, and contacts anymore. It's about much, much more. And this is about ecosystem, how we manage and monitor that ecosystem. Okay, I'll show you a couple more things. This I'm really excited about. So I was looking at this a couple of weeks ago. New product, Dynamics 365 Gamification. Since I do Salesforce automation projects, I'm going to spend a lot of time with this product. So what is gamification? I'm sure we've all heard about gamification in technology, but even when I first heard about it, I wasn't quite sure what it was. Well, gamification is this. It doesn't have somebody play a game all day. It makes a game out of what you're doing. So for example, if I'm a salesperson and I create a lead in CRM, I can automatically get 10 points for that. I take that lead and I convert it to an opportunity. Oh, I get another 10 points. If that opportunity was worth, let's say, more than $10,000, I could get another 10 points. Now all of a sudden I've got 30 points on my scoreboard. Well, that scoreboard is now competing with all the other salespeople in the office, and it's up on the up on the wall, and everybody can see it on a big screen TV. Well, I close that opportunity within 30 days, and that's a bonus 20 points, right? So now I get a bonus, and all of a sudden we got a horse race going. Well, in this product, there's a fantasy sales team component to it where I can take my salespeople and put them on teams. So let's say I've got 50 salespeople out there. I could put them on 5 teams of 10 each and mix them up with my top performers and my bottom performers and manage them as a team and have them compete as a team. This will drive my top performers to coach my bottom performers to make them perform better. Now this product, again, fantasy sales has taken it to a different level where we can actually have people who are non-sales in the company be cheerleaders. So they can say, I'm going to pick this team and that's my team. I'm going to cheer for them. And all of a sudden the sales team's got a whole bunch of more coaches in there telling them, what to do, how to do. Exciting product. And they tell me that this is going to ship with every copy of Dynamics 365 sales altogether. So the applications that I showed you today will be shipping with Dynamics 365 are all bundled in. If we go out to our competitor, and everybody knows who our main competitor in this space is, they're going to be paying 2 to 3 times as much for the same technology. This gives us, not only we have a great product, but we have a product that's well priced, well positioned, and I think is really going to take up a lot of growth in the market.